It's fair to assume that electronics and water aren't the best of friends, but in recent years, the idea of a phone falling into a body of wet stuff isn't necessarily a death sentence anymore. Manufacturers have been exploring ways to make their products more resistant to dirt, shock, extreme temperatures, and moisture for years. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best waterproof phones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. iPhone 12. It's over 2 years old now, but the iPhone 12 still features the same level of waterproofing as the iPhone 13 line, and Apple tested resistance to 30 minutes of being submerged under 20 feet of water and an IP68 rating while remaining cheaper. The iPhone 12 is our favorite among all the iPhone 12 series, and the reduction of the iPhone 13 after its release now is even more interesting. The iPhone 12 not only has updated viewing angles reminiscent of the iPhone 5, but also has the same 6.1-inch Retina XDR OLED display technology as the iPhone 12 Pro series and offers significant improvements over the iPhone 11. In the center of the iPhone 12, you'll find the Apple A14 Bionic. It already offers a significant upgrade over the capable A13 Bionic. Despite being a year old, it is still one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. On the back of the phone, you will get a dual camera system. That includes one 12-megapixel main camera and one 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It doesn't have the larger sensor that newer models offer, but it still takes excellent photos in almost any situation, including low light. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Like other Galaxy flagships, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra features IP68 water resistance, so you can drop it in up to 5 feet of water without worry. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra was one of the first phones to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. This is a 4-nanometer chip that promises better CPU and graphics performance while at the same time offering better efficiency. Despite the familiar camera hardware, the upgrade by Samsung makes this one the best systems on any phone today at $1,500. With a 108-megapixel main sensor backed up by ultra-wide angle support and 2 telephoto lenses with different zoom levels, the zoom performance is significantly improved over previous models. The expansive 6.8-inch AMOLED display delivers both high-wide Quad HD Plus resolution and an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. While long-term software support that surpasses even Google's Pixels rounds out an impressive list of pros. Another plus, the 6.8-inch display is gently curved, so it adds some aesthetic appeal without leading to accidental screen presses. My only complaint is that sometimes typing words or moving the cursor on the extreme left or right side of the screen can be a challenge. Number 3. Nokia XR20. The Nokia XR20 is one of the most balanced and broadly appealing we've used. It's tough in all the right places, but it's also pretty painless to use. Make no mistake, this is not a particularly well-equipped phone. But it has a bright enough and sharp display, and its camera is not a complete loss. You even get amazing little luxuries like wireless charging and stereo speakers. Nokia XR20 is designed for the long run. A phone that can stand up to anything life throws at it. With an ultra-solid case and the toughest display glass we could find, it's scratch-resistant, drop-resistant, temperature-resistant, water-resistant, and kid and pet-resistant. It also comes with up to 3 years of OS upgrades and 4 years of monthly security updates, so your phone will be up to date into 2025. And because you'll be using it longer, it's better for the environment. Equipped with a 4,630 mAh battery, the Nokia XR20 lasts for almost 3 days on a single charge. Number 2. iPhone SE 2022. Apple released a new SE in 2022, and it's among our top picks in this compact chapter. It's hardly perfect though, but Apple has the iPhone 13 mini and 12 mini for those seeking perfection. So the SE has a dated form factor introduced years ago and reuses a lot of the iPhone 8 bits. That means a single camera, a small battery, giant screen bezels, and Touch ID. At the heart of the iPhone SE, you'll find the same super powerful A15 Bionic chip that's in iPhone 13. A highly efficient chip, an enhanced battery, and iOS 15 work together to boost battery life. It's a lot of power and headroom for a tiny 4.7-inch screen smartphone that doesn't even have a depth sensor on the front. Still, the A15 Bionic is up for anything, from shooting and editing 4K videos to playing intense action games like Call of Duty and PUBG. It's a very affordable entry into that iOS world too. This phone is built to IP67 spec, meaning it can withstand submersion in 3.3 feet, 1 meter of water for a half hour. Number 1. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Just as you'd hope from a phone as luxurious as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, it promises to keep your phone dry. With an IP68 water dust resistance rating, Apple promises all its new phones, including the iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14, and iPhone 14 Plus, will withstand submersion in 6 meters, about 20 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. If you are a gamer, the engine performance will probably be the most felt upgrade. iPhone 14 Pro Max uses the latest chipset, namely a 16 Bionic. What about the screen specifications? There are some similarities with the previous series, such as a screen size of 6.7-inch, a 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, and Dolby Vision. As for the differences, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is superior with an LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED panel, a higher resolution of 1290 by 2796 pixels, and a screen brightness of up to 2000 nits. Not only engine performance, but camera specifications are also the most significant upgrade if you buy an iPhone 14 Pro Max. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.